Guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Jamaican French fried chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. And remember to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken already clean and washed. I also have some soy sauce. I also have some all-purpose seasoning, some chicken seasoning, and I also have black pepper and some paprika, right? So I'm going to combine the seasonings together. Then I'm going to go ahead and pour the seasoning all over the chicken. And I'm also going to add some of the soy sauce, all right? So once I did all of that, I'm going to go in, use my hand to just rub in the seasoning. And I know some of you don't like the chicken on your hand, you don't like to feel it, but if you guys have gloves, you can go ahead and use your gloves, all right? But I like to do it this way. So once my chicken is seasoned, I'm gonna just cover it and leave it in the fridge for roughly an hour and a half to 2 hours before I come back and show you guys what I'm gonna do next, all right? So stay tuned for that. So while my chicken is in the fridge, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the dry ingredients for my chicken. I have my flour and I also have my seasoning, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the seasoning in the flour and combine everything together. You want everything to be evenly distributed, all right? So now it's time to go ahead and start frying my chicken. So here I have my chicken, and I also have the flour that I went ahead and add the seasoning to. That is the powdered seasoning, and as you can see, I have my frying pan with some vegetable oil already hot and ready for the chicken. So I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my chicken in the flour with the seasoning that is, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place my chicken in the hot oil. And guys, always remember that the excess flour, you just want to go ahead and shake the excess flour off from your chicken, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and coat the rest of the chicken in the flour and place them in the hot oil. And guys, just a little reminder, the seasoning from the chicken, you don't want to throw that away. You just want to put that to the side because that is what you're going to use to make your gravy for your French fried chicken, all right? So all you can do, you can go ahead and just add a little bit of brown sugar to it and some ketchup. Cook that up with some water, a small amount of water, and then you can just allow that to just come to a boil for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes, and then you have your gravy. All right. So once I'm finished adding all of the chicken to my frying pan, I'm just gonna go ahead and give them a little bit of space. And the ones that I put in first, the chicken leg, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn that over on the other side. So we're just gonna allow each side to fry. So basically this took me about 17 to 25 minutes, and you just want to turn this down on the lowest heat possible. You don't want, well, medium heat, sorry, but you don't want them to burn. All right. So I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's almost finished frying. All right. Alright guys, so this is what my French fried chicken looks like. As you can see, it's coming along quite fine. I'm going to give it some more minutes to fry, because you want the inside of the chicken to fry properly. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like after it finished frying. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so this is my Jamaican French fried chicken all ready to be served. So I'm just going to remove this from the oil, place it on a napkin, allow the excess oil to drain. Then I'm going to come back and plate this up and show you guys the final product. And I'm going to serve this with some rice and peas and also with some lettuce and show you guys the final product. Alright. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my Jamaican French fried chicken. As you can see, I told you all, and I'm going to serve this up with some rice and peas and some lettuce, and I also added some French dressing for the lettuce. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell. Remember to share my channel, and guys, remember to follow me on all social media platforms. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.